now. And we want to get started with an overnight rescue in Loveland with several people stranded on the water. This happened to a group of paddleboarders at Boyd Lake State Park. This is just before 10 p.m. last night, and Denver 7's Christian Lopez spoke with the rescue crews who responded to this call. Tonight they're telling her it was caused by a quick change in the weather.
It started out as a call that there was one paddleboarder in distress, but when officials arrived here, they realized a group of 7 people had been separated. Some of them were almost a mile away from each other.
The Rangers had boats, a boat that went out on the lake that actually got 1 or 2 of them off there. There's a private boat that was already out there that was able to get 1 of them off. A couple of them had come to the shore on their own, and then we were able to get the rest of them.
A rescue Loveland Fire says was due to the sudden change in weather last night.
Heavy winds came in and dispersed them amongst the lake.
Battalion Chief Robert Carmasino says a few of the paddleboarders had cell phones on them and were able to call for help.
I'd say we had the incident completely taken care of within about 30 minutes.
But it's one of several calls he says are weather related.
I would say a majority of the ones that we have are because of weather conditions that change rapidly on people, and they're not prepared for it.
That's definitely scary, and it's definitely like an eye-opener to just make sure to check the wind speeds and make sure we have a plan in case we do get stranded.
A critical reminder to keep a close eye on the conditions when you plan to head out.
We made sure to check to see the wind speeds and if there was going to rain or anything today before we decided if we were coming out or not.
Pay attention to the weather report that's coming out, when it may change. Pay attention to the clouds. During the day when the park rangers are out there, they help pay attention to that stuff, maybe alert people, but when they're not out there, that's more for you to pay attention. Colorado weather changes on a daily basis, right? Right now we're okay, but we get lightning storms or rains and stuff that come in. So when those rainstorms come in, we get the heavy gusts of winds that come. So prepare for that. Be ready.
And he says the 7 people were between the ages of 20 and 30 years old. Thankfully, no one was injured. Reporting in Loveland, I'm Christian Lopez, Denver 7.